Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough tour of our 2019 Mercedes-Benz C300 AMG line premium. I'm just going to run through the specification of this car, just pointing out some of the main standout features. To begin with, on the exterior you have the optional metallic silver paintwork. The vehicle comes with the optional privacy glass for the rear windows, the optional bicolour 19-inch alloy wheels with the diamond turned facing to them, the optional exterior styling including the attachments on the front bumper, on the rear, the gloss black spoiler and also the gloss black mirror caps. And just running through a couple of the standard features on the vehicle, you do get the LED high performance headlamps at the front, LED tail lights, chrome exhaust pipe finishers, a half leather and half fabric interior with half electric front seats and lumbar control. You get a leather trimmed multi-function steering wheel, a fully upgraded digital display just behind, access to cruise control as well from the steering wheel area. All of the controls you would expect throughout the centre console with your touchpad, climate control functions and your central screen. You can access DAB radio from the infotainment system, satellite navigation and also a reversing camera with front and rear parking sensors. If you'd like to know any more information about this car, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.